Hello, friends. Today, we are beginning a new series to help all of you build a strong vocabulary. Our aim is to learn a few new words every day and be able to score a 160 plus in GRE verbal. So, let's get started. The first word that we will learn today is amalgamate. So, what does amalgamate mean? Amalgamate means to combine or to mix or to bring together two or more elements. A few examples of amalgamate could be amalgamation of organizations. So, what does that mean? It means two or more organizations that come together and form a new entity. Another example of amalgamate could be amalgamation of spices in an Indian cuisine. So, what goes in an Indian cuisine? There is a lot of variety of spices and spice mixes that go in together to form a delicious and an aromatic cuisine. The next word that we will learn is enigma. What does enigma mean? It means something that baffles your understanding, something that cannot simply be explained. A very common example of enigma is what comes first? An egg or a hen? So, friends, to learn a lot more such new words, stay tuned and connected with us. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.